morning. And for today's video guys, for today's reels guys is akong gihimuan og video akong kaugalingon akong gitubag sa during my interview. Because you know what guys, we're trying to answer the common questions when we are applying a job, especially in the interview pag tinatanong tayo. Mga common kasi introduce yourself, and the last question is why should we hire you? How do you answer that question? Ano ba talaga sinasagot nyo? Bakit yung iba may pumapalpak? Bakit yung iba hindi na-hire dahil nang dyan sa tanong na yan? Ano ba dapat sinasagot nila? Wala rin kasing nakakaalam kung ano ba dapat talagang perfect na sagot sa mga tanong. Actually guys, nung nag-apply ako is English ha. So na-shock din ako kasi sa Maynila, hindi ko naman naranasan na nung mag-apply ako sa Maynila, matagal din ako sa Maynila, pero hindi ko naman naranasan na mag-interview ng English. Dito lang talaga sa Cebu Social. Dito ko lang talaga na-try na mag-apply ka. Tapos English yung interview mo. So you should answer it in English then. So guys, may tips lang ako sa inyo guys kapag kayo nag-deliver ng English, no matter if wrong grammar pa yan, just deliver it confidently, straight from the heart. Kahit parang gramming kasi tayo, alam naman natin mag-English. Yung problema lang sa atin is wala tayong lakas na loob kasi nauunahan na tayo ng mga negatibo na baka mapahiya lang tayo, baka i-judge tayo ng iba kasi nga narorong gramming tayo. No way, bahala sila dahil sila yung mag-adjust kasi sila yung naminaw, dili kita. Pero ako kasi nung tinatanong ako, why should we hire you? Ang sagot ko dun is, my best asset that the company gonna like me is being a hardworking. And you should hire me to this job because I have already an experience. I want this job for my family, for our financial needs, and to support my children to secure their future. Yes, I am fully aware of my duties and responsibilities to this job. I would love to see myself to become a successful and have a better lifestyle that I'm working for my family. See you guys. I hope this video guys nakatulong din to sa iba kapag nag-i-interview kayo. So, ganun lang yun. Ito ay based on my own experience at ito yung sinagot ko talaga. If you find this video helpful, pwede kayo mag-like or mag-heart. And then, share nyo na rin. Share lang ba? Kung may natutunan kayo at natutuwa, nasisiyahan sa mga video ko, baka naman pa-like, pa-share. So, hindi naman ako famous, pero baka naman pag dumaan, mapusuan nyo man lang. O, diba? Anyamatan, imbangal daw, kaya kada kayo, amen. See you guys! Salamat guys! Bye! God bless, have a great day!